Hi and welcome back to the series of learning Adobe Illustrator. In today's video, we are going to learn about the shape tools in Adobe Illustrator. We will simply just go to the shape tool. If you click and hold on the shape tool in the toolbar, you will see more options of the shapes. For now, I'll choose rectangle tool. Just click and drag on the canvas and draw a shape. Once your shape is ready, let's add some color. Select the shape, then double click on the fill color to choose any color you like and hit OK. Your shape is filled. Now let's talk about the strokes. That's the outline or the border of the shape. Double click on the stroke color, pick a new color and hit OK. But right now the stroke might be too thin. So let's adjust the stroke width to make it more visible. These are the options. You can also change the stroke profile from like thick to thin or thin to thick or other preset styles. There are plenty of options to explore. On the left side in the properties panel, you will find the appearance section where you can tweak this setting further. Click on the stroke button and you will see options to adjust caps, corners and alignment of the border. You can even change the stroke into a dashed lines and customize the dash size and gaps. Finally, if you want to make shape more transparent, you can adjust the opacity in the properties panel. And that's it for today. In the next video, we will explore the gradient tool and how to add a beautiful color transition to your designs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to drop any suggestions and feedback in the comments. See you next time.